There's two more commands we're going to go over. The first one is going to be union, and the second one is going to be union all. These do get a little mixed up with the inner join and left join since they kind of function the same way in terms of how they work, but they are completely different, and let's go over what makes them unique here. So the next two commands are going to be union and union all. These are going to be the last commands that we go over. So we actually use the union operator to string together two select statements. But with the union statement, it actually removes any duplicate rows with the same values. But with union all, you're going to get duplicate rows in the result set table. So it kind of functions the same way as inner join and left join in terms of their differences, but the queries are going to be very different. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. All right, so back in the terminal, we're going to copy this union command and we're going to go over every single line. So with this command, we're going to select title as name from film. So we're going to use the name alias. We never use the as operator. It is completely optional when giving aliases to use as, so you can omit this when doing it, but it makes it a little bit more clear if we say select title as name. So instead of the column being named title, where it's going to be called name when we get the result table from the films table. And then we're going to add the union operator here and then string on another select statement. So we're going to select the actor name as name from the actors table, and we're going to order them by name. So if I hit enter here, you're going to see that doesn't really make too much sense, but we can see how it works kind of. We have one column since we named them both name down here, and we're putting down this is an actor, this is an actor, this is the name of the movie. So we put together a bunch of names and we order them alphabetically by name. Now, if we were to do that again, but instead we were to change the actor name to actor and hit enter, and it would be the same thing for union all, except remember there are going to be duplicate rows or duplicate values within here. So if we were to scroll down, you can see that we get Tom Hanks twice, whereas in the table above we only got Tom Hanks once. So again, this is a prime example of union and union all. So we're putting together all the data that we're grabbing using two select statements into one result table.